When we first got Shibby, she needed to be put on medication, but she got really stressed out by having to be restrained in order to give her a syringe, so I slowly started to teach her how to accept a syringe without restraint. I made the association between syringes and good things by taking some really watered down orange juice. I would let her lick a little bit of the fruit juice off the end. Is that good? And then she would gradually come to associate that there is tasty fruit juice in the syringes, and she would willingly drink out of the syringe. Oh, is that tasty? Good. Once she would accept the syringe without me having to have a hand on her, I got her medication fruit flavored, and she started accepting the medication without me having to restrain her, and now she takes all of her medication this way. Yeah, that's a good girl. That's a good birdie. And there it is, low stress medication.